These 7 Bitcoin faucets combined will earn you up to $2,000 per month without any investment whatsoever. This money can be withdrawn directly to your local bank account using P2P service on the Binance platform instantly to your local bank account. What are Bitcoin faucets? They are methods of earning small amounts of Bitcoin by solving captchas. This first diverse website right here, which is called StormGain. I use StormGain to earn free Bitcoins using their cloud mining platform every 4 hours. You can also use StormGain to mine cryptocurrencies with your mobile phone. There's a lot you can do on this platform. Like I said before, it is diverse. You can mine up to 0.0318 Bitcoin per day. So if you want to know how much this in USD, we just have to copy this right here. Come to Google, you paste it right here, and then you just type BTC TOE USD. So right now you can see that 0.0318 BTC is equivalent to 1,353.95 cents USD. So now that I've created my account, you just come right here and click on sign in. This is how the platform looks like. So you come right here, you click on miner. This is what I've been able to mine for today, 3.47 USDT. For me to continue mining, all I have to do right here is come and click on this particular BTC logo that you can see right here. Alright, verification success. It's going to start mining. This is the cloud mining addresses that is being generated from the blockchain. While this is mining right here, let's go to the next platform where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do that. Remember, the aim here is to combine all of these platforms together in order for us to make $3,000 per month. Cointiply is the next platform. Without just getting the loyalty bonus and free Bitcoins from this Cointiply website, you can have up to 25% of referral bonus. So to get started on Cointiply, all you have to do is come right here, enter your email address right here, and then click on start mining. It's going to take you right here where you just have to enter your first name and then your email, choose the password, and then once you click on sign up, it's going to sign you up immediately to this particular website. And of course, you see it says my account has been created and it's logging me in right away. I got an email from Cointiply. It says action required, claim your 1,000 coin bonus. So I just click on this and then it says welcome to Cointiply. Here and click on start earning coins and you are good to go on this Cointiply website. And the next platform is freebitco.in. This platform pays you free Bitcoin every 1 hour, 50% referral commissions for life. To get started on free Bitcoin website, you just have to come right here and click on sign up, enter your email, and then you enter your password and you are good to go. So once you're signed up, you come back right here, click on login. You are logged in. As you can see, I've claimed up to 3,000 satoshis on this platform already. Under free BTC, that's where we're able to roll. Scroll right up here, you see this button that says roll. Click on this roll button and you win 20 satoshi. So I'll show you how to convert this reward points to satoshi so it can be added to these 20 satoshis that you have here, so it becomes 24 satoshis. From 0 to 9885, you're going to get 20 and so on and so forth. And we are good to go. For the next 1 hour, we'll come right here and roll again. And this next platform is awesome. Bitcoin Car. You can get up to 100,000 satoshis every 5 minutes. It's very easy to get started on Bitcoin Car. From here, number one, you just enter your Bitcoin wallet, click the captcha, and then you click on claim Bitcoin. If you scroll up, you indicate that you are not a robot. Enter your Bitcoin address right here, claim Bitcoin. 6 satoshi were accumulated in your address, and this is the address. You can see the timer right here is counting. So in the next 5 minutes, I will be able to claim again to my Bitcoin wallet right here. 2, 1, and so we are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I indulge you to like and subscribe below to help the channel grow. The next platform is FaucetPay. All you have to do is click on this button that says N, focusing on Faucet list. You click on Faucet list. You can see so many Faucet websites right here that you can claim free Bitcoins from. Check all of them. You can see coinpayu.com, so many of them right here. You click on view. It takes you all the way right to that particular platform. From here, you can claim free Bitcoins. You can come back to the website, click on the next one, and it takes you to this website, earn money for watching website. This particular FaucetPay website has so many options you can choose from. The list goes on, and you can use almost all of these websites in whatever region that you are to accumulate as much money as you want using this FaucetPay platform. To sign up on this website is very easy. You just have to come right here and click on sign up, and then it brings out this. Just enter your username, email address, confirm the email address again, and your password, and then you click I am not a robot, create my account, and you are good to go. And the next platform is Rollercoin. Here on Rollercoin, as you can see, it says register now. You can get 1,000 free satoshi if you register on this particular website right now. You just click on claim reward. So many users have been earning so much money from this website. Total mine coin is up to 65 BTC on this Rollercoin website. It's very easy to get started on Rollercoin website. You just come right here, click on this button, click on sign up, enter your email right here, Click on this button that says click to verify, verification successful, continue with email. We sent a temporary login code to your email. I come to my email right here, you can see Roller Coin team, the Roller Coin access code inside. This is the verification code. I just have to copy this and take it back right here, get to the Roller Coin platform, and then I paste it right here. Scroll up and then just click on free Bitcoin. It takes you right here to this particular place where you can start mining.
And coming up next is
faucetcrypto.com. Grab your free coins today. To get started, all you have to do is click on cryptocurrencies right here at the top. So once you scroll up right here, you're going to see the list of available cryptocurrencies that you can claim. All you have to do is look at the crypto that you are interested in to claim from this left hand side here, and then come to the right hand side when you see this claim button. Whichever coin you want to claim, you come right here to the right hand side and then you click on claim, and it takes me right here when I have to just put in my name and my email. I have to choose a password. After, you must have read the terms of service. If you agree, you click I agree to the terms of service, and then you click on register. It brings you to this place where it says you verify your email address. So this is my email. Of course, you can see Faucet Crypto. Click the link below to verify your email address. It logs me in immediately because my email is now verified. You scroll up to Faucet claim right here. You look up to the right here, we have 10 coins. The claim timer is currently set to 20 minutes. I just have to click on claim reward. All you have to do is click on this button right here that says claim reward, and you are good to go. It says success. So apart from just claiming free coins here from this particular website, you can watch videos, you can do other PTC tasks to claim coins from this website. If you carry out these tasks in 10 seconds, you earn 11 coins, 20 coins from here, 17 coins from here, 17 coins from here. All of these are other methods that you can use to claim free bitcoins from this particular Faucet Crypto website.
So with these 7 websites, you can make up to $3,000 per month if you are consistent and you follow the step-by-step guide that I've laid down in this video. So mind you, I am not a financial advisor. You should do your own due diligence before investing in anything crypto whatsoever. So if you want to invest in crypto, do your own due diligence before investing in anything crypto.
These are some payout results I just want to show right here, so you can just take a look.
All of these are free, completely free. But if you are still curious and you're looking for more ways to make money online, this next video right here is going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. This is Blake Zion. I'll see you in the next video.
Bring me my money.